Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Japanese curry. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on a good quality curry roux block, which is essential for that classic taste. You'll also need your choice of protein, like chicken or beef, and staple vegetables such as onions, carrots, and potatoes. This method ensures a rich, comforting, and truly authentic Japanese curry experience that's surprisingly easy to achieve at home. Let's get our ingredients ready. Dice your onions, carrots, and potatoes into roughly 1-inch pieces for even cooking. Cut your protein, whether it's chicken, beef, or a vegetarian option, into similar bite-sized portions. Begin by sautéing the onions in a large pot until they are softened and translucent, which builds a foundational flavor for your curry. This careful preparation ensures everything cooks perfectly. Now let's cook. Add your protein to the pot and brown it lightly, then incorporate the carrots and potatoes, stirring for a few minutes. Pour in enough water to just cover the ingredients, bring it to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer until the vegetables are tender, usually about 15 to 20 minutes. Finally, turn off the heat and stir in the curry roux blocks until they are completely dissolved, creating a thick, aromatic sauce. Your delicious Japanese curry is now ready to enjoy. Serve generous portions of the hot curry over a bed of freshly steamed white rice. For an authentic touch, consider garnishing with some pickled ginger, known as gari or fukujinzuke, which is a mix of pickled vegetables. This simple yet satisfying meal is perfect for any occasion, offering a comforting and flavorful experience that truly captures the essence of Japanese home cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.